Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. And my family has been asking me to get granola at the grocery store. However, I don't really want to spend all that much money on prepackaged granola when I have all the stuff I need at home. So today I'd like to kind of give you a base for granola, homemade granola, and let it become your palate and with what you have in your home, or do it to your tastes. So I have I have 2 cups of oats in here already. These are actually gluten-free because this is what I have, but again, this you can use regular. I also have a total about 1.5 cups of nuts. I had some pistachios and some cashews. This is all that was left in the bag, so I'm going to throw that all in there. And here is my mix of cinnamon and just a little bit of salt. This is kind of one of those things that when you do stuff at home, you can control your ingredients. So if you have a little bit of high blood pressure, you don't have to put as much salt in. And again, some honey and a little bit of olive oil. I decided to use olive oil because I kind of looked at this, and this is the pistachios, has like a little bit of a Greek flavor with it. And so I thought, you know what, I'm okay with that little bit stronger, but if you're not a fan of that, use a mild oil like canola or vegetable oil. And again, if you want a little bit of more sweetness, you can add a little bit more honey. But again, I am trying to control that sugar. We have so much sugar in our diet already. And honey is a natural sugar. You could also substitute maple syrup, not that corn syrup stuff you use, but actual maple syrup. And so this is simply, I'm just going to combine all of this together. Another alteration you could make is a little vanilla extract, if you so desire. If you kind of want that's a little bit of a sweeter taste to it, as opposed to adding more sugar. But I am just kind of keeping this. Look how yummy that looks already. I wouldn't eat it because the oats are raw. So my oven is preheating to 325, and I'm going to bake this in there, kind of checking on it halfway through and kind of stirring it up a little bit. I don't want it to burn. That's why I'm kind of cooking it on a lower heat. And then I'll meet you back once that has baked and cooled, and then I'll show you the other additions I'm going to make. My granola is nice and cool. It was about 20 minutes for me, and after 10 minutes, I kind of stirred it up, but it is cool to the touch, and I'm ready to add my dried fruit. Ooh. It seems like my parchment is splitting as well, but hey, we'll make do. Hey. Look how much it made. Oh my goodness. There we go. Honestly, with that much, this was in my cupboard, my pantry. Definitely way more than I would buy in the grocery store. And because I always have oats on hand, because oatmeal cookies, or maybe making a fruit crisp, or just having some straight up oatmeal. And to kind of go with this theme, I had some dried apricots. This is about 1/2 cup. I didn't want to make it overly sweet. Again, I'm just trying to be conscious of that. But again, you could add whatever you like. I think maybe sometimes you have dried cranberries, or if you do want a little bit of a treat, it's perfectly fine to add. I'm giving you a suggestion of adding chocolate chips. So thanks so much for checking out Crazy Turtle's Kitchen today. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.